Hey guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna try to cover the my phone, but we got about, what are you doing? We got about 8 inches coming out tonight, and I'm kind of testing out some stuff. For example, let me show you guys this. Onyx, come here. Sit. Come here. Stay. Sit. Stay. Alright, go. I got his balaclava. It'll come off every few minutes. Onyx, come here. Just like that. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Sit. Stay. Stay. I gotta adjust it better. There we go. Stay. Sit. Sit. Stay. I don't want it to come off, Onyx. Alright, get out of here. Sometimes it'll come off once he shakes his head. Had to put my glove back on. But we got about 8 inches coming out of snow, and some of the things that I've been wanting to get was a pair of goggles for this type of weather, because my glasses fog out once I wear my balaclava. And I bought another pair of glasses. They're more like work glasses. They're scratch proof and durable, but they're not fog proof. Let's go this way. Come. See? It stays on. And I've been meaning to get him some glasses too, or a pair of goggles, because he's not able to see neither. Once it's like, because this thing is sticking to me, and it sticks to my eyes and my face, and then I can't see, and it sticks to his eyes too. So that's why I want to get him some goggles. But the balaclava works perfect. Also, my balaclava works great. I just want to share that with you guys. Onyx, good boy. And the reason I put the balaclava on him is because his ears stand up, and some of the snow gets in there, and he'll pull his ears back, but still some of it gets in there, and that's how you get like ear infections and stuff. So that balaclava I bought by mistake actually works great. Except my goggles right now are fogging up so badly I can barely see. So that's why I want to get a pair of goggles, and get him a pair of goggles too, so this thing doesn't stick to his face. So that's it. I just want to share that with you guys. Be safe. And I can barely see anything.